Hey y'all, this is Jimmy. This is only for the married folks out there. I want to give you a tip on how to save money on your car insurance or your homeowner's insurance. So when you call into the agent or you do the application online, you're either going to list the husband first or the wife first.
Duh.
Then the quote's going to process and it'll come back with a rate. In that rate, they took notice of what your insurance score is, which is kind of built off your credit score. Now, if you don't like the rate that you're getting, or if you just want to see if you can get a better rate, whoever you put on there first, put them second and put the second on first. Run the quote again. I can't tell you how many times that saved my customers just a bundle of money because I was just willing to swap two people out and the rate comes back better.
That was too easy.
If you need some help with your insurance, whether it's your homeowners, your auto, or your business, give us a call at 706-416-4160, 706-416-4160. Thanks so much.